Last week, a client's personal laptop suddenly wouldn't power on. Fortunately, it was just a failed AC adapter. Once we replaced it, the laptop booted right up. But the scare was real. If her hard drive had crashed instead, she would have lost over a decade of personal financial records. After this close call, my client immediately asked me to set up a backup for his laptop. Let me show you exactly how to implement this crucial protection right now. Welcome to Microsoft 365 Quick Skills, your shortcut to getting the most out of the Microsoft apps. Here's exactly what I set up for her, and what you should have running on your PC today. This takes just 3 minutes, uses the free OneDrive of 5 GB storage, and could save you from losing irreplaceable files. First, let's make sure you're signed into OneDrive on your PC. Look for the gray and white cloud icon in your system tray at the bottom right of your screen. That's OneDrive. Once you signed in, you will see folders Desktop, Documents, and Pictures will be selected. Watch as OneDrive begins syncing your files to the cloud in real time. This automatically backs up your most important folders. If your hard drive fails tomorrow, you won't lose a single file. Now let's verify everything is working. Open your web browser and go to OneDrive.com. Navigate to your My Files, then Documents folder. See? All the files are here in the cloud. Now you can compare the files on your computer. All files are now accessible from cloud and your computer anywhere. Even if his computer disappeared, his data is completely safe. Next, open File Explorer. The icon under Status shows if the files are on your computer. You can highlight a few files, right-click to see the Keep Files on Device option. Green icon means the files are on your computer even not connected to internet. Now that your files are synchronized and safely stored on OneDrive, the next step is accessing them on the go. Simply download the OneDrive mobile app from your App Store. Log in with your Microsoft account, and you'll immediately see all your synchronized files accessible right from your phone or tablet. Quick note: you need a Microsoft personal account to set up your personal OneDrive backup. This is separate from your work account. We'll explain the differences in a future video. If you don't have a personal Microsoft account yet, you can create one for free at Microsoft.com. If you need assistance, contact Method Group for support. If you're managing a business that uses Microsoft 365, you should set up OneDrive backup company-wide with proper retention policies and compliance settings. We've helped dozens of companies protect their critical data before hardware failures happen. OneDrive protects your files in the cloud. For complete protection, CyberSafe Home secures your entire home network, protecting your PC before problems even start. Link in the description below. Don't wait for a hardware scare. Set up your OneDrive backup today. Thank you for watching.